Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Thanks so much for clicking this video and I warmly welcome all of you guys over here. So my name is Huria and you're watching H Learning Studio. In these days, I know English language has become really important for everyone, and even if you will go in any field, especially for any job, they will obviously ask you like, can you speak English language like better? Or obviously at that time, if you don't have such fluency, it will be really difficult for you to listen all these kind of phrases from other people like, can you speak English language? Obviously, it feels really weird and exactly, it really hurts. You can say honestly, it hurts. So this video is just for beginners, because I have 3 basic things, or you can say really important tricks that will be just magically boost your English fluency. And I'm really concerned about all the beginners and all the learners. They're so much passionate about learning English language because I'm already working on just for you guys to make you better in that. And please don't skip this video because all of these 3 rules are going to be useful for you for learning English language and to increase your English fluency. So stay tuned and let's get into those tricks. I know you guys are really waiting for all the 3 tricks that are important for beginners to boost your English fluency. But before that, I want to say, like, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you really liked this video, then please subscribe to the channel at the end of this video by watching that, and also give a thumbs up to it. Okay, so that's the only thing that I wanted to say. So the first rule that I want to share with you guys, if you want to be fluent in English language, then do one thing. Start listening to native speakers. I have already mentioned this rule in one of my videos, or you can say in 1 or 2 of my videos, but repeating this rule or this thing again in this video is really worth giving because I cannot wait for you guys that you just waste your time in some other activities on some other things. If you really want to improve your English speaking skills, or you can say English fluency, then one thing that you should do again and again, and the first time that you should do, is listen to native speakers as much as you can. Because only this thing is going to give you an idea that how the native speaker actually speak. There are 3 important benefits that are really important for beginners. Is that when you listen to native speakers, you get some words, some new vocabulary that the native speaker use in their normal life, or you can say in daily routine. And that can boost your vocabulary also. That's the first thing and the first important benefit that you get. And the second benefit that you get from this rule is that you increase your listening skills. Obviously, whenever you will go in some field and you will listen to some, you can say fast English speaker, or you can say native speaker, they will always speak in a fast speed. You can say they will always speak some words, they say some word that could be ununderstandable for you. That can be difficult for you. So in this way, you can also tackle this problem. You can also increase your listening skills. Third benefit that you get, you became aware of all those slang words that the people, or you can say the native speaker use in their language. Because to be honest, I have seen so many native speakers. I have a good experience of listening to them because I have spent a lot of time on listening to native speakers. The difficult thing that I have noticed is their slang words. Obviously, you can learn slang words with the passage of time, but in the beginning, first, you have to pay attention on their speaking skills. You have to listen to them as much as you can. It will be really great for you. And the second trick to increase your fluency is that talk to yourself. I know it's kind of like I'm repeating this rule again and again in most of my videos, but it is really important. I'm just honestly saying to you guys, like, it's really important for all the beginners and so any people, like all the people that ask me about English speaking, or you can say to increase your fluency, like how they can increase their fluency, how they can be better English speaker. I always recommend all of those guys, all of those people, to speak with their self. But here's the one problem, like mostly people don't think like how we can speak with ourselves, because it's really kind of like a natural thing, because we can understand, we can just accept the thing and the fact, like, yeah, exactly, we can talk to other people, there's an opportunity for that, but talking to ourselves, it's a little bit weird, right? So I want to give you a tip for that. I'm going to give you a solution. Don't worry about it. So the solution is that you don't need to ask, you don't need to find a specific topic for that. Just sit aside, just be relaxed, and even if you're doing something, you can also do at that time. You can also practice with yourself at that time. So first thing that you have to do is to just think, just repeat all those things, all those work that you have done from the morning till evening. If you're practicing at the evening time, just repeat all those work, all the tasks that you have completed. Anything you want to discuss with yourself, any kind of story you can do, and it's really, you can say simple. It's not that much hard as people think about it. Here's the last, and you can say also important trick for beginners to increase their fluency. And the third trick is that start speaking with someone. Because listening to native speaker, that's the first step, and then talking to yourself, that's the second one. And third, and the most important thing is start talking to someone else. Even if you don't get any native speaker, that's fine. There's no problem in that, because sometimes people become like a little bit, you get confused, and they became a little bit, because they're conscious about it, like how we can speak just like native speaker even if we are not talking to any native speaker in reality. But that's fine. There's so many opportunities. If you don't even get a good partner, if you don't get any person, any friend, any family member that can talk to you, you can find another way. And I'm gonna tell you about that. You can install some application, not some. I will recommend you a Hello app. It is really beneficial for me. It was really beneficial for me because I have practiced over there a lot. I had talked to so many people, and then on Hello application, all of the people, all of the students, they're just concerned about English language. So there are different people from different countries. You can get many native speakers over there. Also, as a teacher, you can get information. You can learn different things over there. If you are interested, then I will give the link of that application. You can install on your mobile. So you can easily practice with anyone else if you really want. And the second way is that if you fortunately get any friend that can speak English language, that is happy to practice with you in English language, then that will be a great way, because in that way you will be talking to a person in reality that is standing in front of you and that is talking to you. It will be a great opportunity for you. So these were the 3 tricks, or you can say the 3 tips or tricks for beginners to boost their English fluency, or you can say the fluency in English language. And I'm sure about it. I'm not just guessing. I'm not just, you can say, making my own conclusion. I'm sure about it if you will focus on all these 3 steps. First, listen to native speakers. Then second, talk to yourself. Third, or try to talk to other people. If you will follow all these 3 things together on daily basis and will be consistent in it, even if not on daily basis, just maybe after 1 day, maybe after 2 days, it just depends upon your own struggle, as much time as you want to give. Your progress is also dependent upon your struggle. So if you will follow all these 3 things together, inshallah, I'm sure about it, it will help you, it will boost your English speaking skills naturally, you can say, in a like magical way. So don't worry about it. Inshallah, you can easily increase your fluency in English language without any problem. And still, if you're facing any problem, any kind of problem, then you can tell me in comments. I'll surely read all of your comments. And I really like your comments because it obviously helped me to know what kind of problem you guys are facing, so that I can make a video just according to that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like it, give a thumbs up. And if you are watching me for the first time, then subscribe my channel to get more videos like this, to get more tips and tricks about the English language. Okay, so inshallah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.